It came on the market at like midnight, and he was like, dude, if you want to buy this house, we need to get in before everybody else. And he got us in at like 9 a.m. when there was an open house at noon. We had our first offer in. By the time they took all the offers, it was, there were 11 offers on the house, and we ended up with it. So I don't know what magic Kelly did, but it ended up working. And then he sold the house that we bought prior with him, and he had that sold in a matter of days.
It was just a completely different experience, and one that, customer service to the max, friendliness to the max, helpfulness to the max. It was like that above and beyond anything you could imagine when it comes to the process of buying a home. And then adding on top of that, almost even kind of acting on the seller's behalf and doing some of those things that would have been done by another agent.
He's completely chilled, but like when it comes time to making the decisions, he's right on the contracts. He's not, I'll get it to you in the morning, and then 2 days goes by. No.
Oh, yeah.
He does stuff when he says he's going to do it.
And then when we ended up selling, he was able to sell it within 24 hours and had multiple offers, and it was fantastic. It's been great working with Kelly.
He could read what I was looking for, and he could tell if I wasn't really feeling a house. And he'd say, "Do you want to move on? Let's move on. I got other options for you." So we're just booking and moving, and I never lost faith. I knew that this guy was going to find me the house that I wanted, and the house was for me. And he did. He found me my first home in the house that fit me.
Oh my God, he scheduled everything for us. Like literally, I just had to show up. It was amazing. He literally, from the inspection to you name it, calling and getting estimates on things, he scheduled everything. He made the appointments, and when I couldn't get there because I was still in Atlanta, he showed up for me.
He's just so easy to work with. He's very personable. He responds almost immediately to anything that you text him. And he's just a great guy. He just makes everything easy, and he works really hard.
He'll show you everything. Excellent to work with. Right?
Absolutely.
It's been just very, very humbling, but also very exciting to be able to see all these folks that we still have that lasting impact on them.